Learn Icelandic polite requests. I would like.
Ég myndi vilja.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you'll nail the polite Icelandic opener I would like. Say.
Ég myndi vilja.
Think of it as your velvet door knock to top-tier Cafe Karma. Your goal today. In the next minutes, you'll sound polite, confident, and a little bit Viking charming. Deal? Target phrase.
Ég myndi vilja.
Means, I would like. Super polite for ordering. Quick neighbors.
Mig langar.
Equals, I want, more direct, and.
Má ég fá.
Equals, may I get, also polite. Add, please, with.
Vinsamlegast.
And, thank you, with.
Takk.
By the end, you'll order like a legend. Forms and rhythm. Repeat after me and feel the gentle rhythm. Keep your voice calm and friendly. Basic.
Ég myndi vilja.
With please.
Ég myndi vilja. Vinsamlegast.
Polite negative, just in case.
Ég myndi ekki vilja.
Compare.
Mig langar.
I want, versus.
Ég myndi vilja.
I would like. Tool word for menus. To order, equals.
Að panta.
Remember EMV. Egg Mindy Vila, your extra mild voice. Mini dialogue at the cafe. Picture this. You at the counter, confident and kind. Let's play it out. You, I would like, a coffee, please. You, is.
Ég myndi vilja, kaffi, vinsamlegast.
Server, is.
Takk.
Thanks. Narrator. If you're extra curious, you can also ask.
Má ég fá, kaffi?
May I get coffee? Viking cameo. A super polite Viking sets down his axe and whispers.
Ég myndi vilja, súpu.
The soup arrives like magic. Drill time. Say it out loud. I'll cue the English, you answer with Icelandic. I would like, coffee.
Ég myndi vilja, kaffi.
I would like, a window seat.
Ég myndi vilja, sæti við glugga.
I would like, to order, 2 tickets.
Ég myndi vilja, að panta, 2 miða.
Finish politely with please and thank you.
Vinsamlegast. Takk.
Contrast check. I want coffee, is.
Mig langar í kaffi.
But keep it soft with.
Ég myndi vilja, kaffi.
Culture tip. Reykjavik vibes. Be cafe smart like a local near Hallgrímskirkja. Politeness opens doors in Iceland. At a cozy spot by Hallgrímskirkja, you'll hear orders start with.
Ég myndi vilja.
Add.
Vinsamlegast.
For extra warmth, and don't forget.
Takk.
When your drink arrives. If you're unsure, the question form.
Má ég fá.
Is also golden. Quick quiz. Let's test your ears, fast and fun. Say or think the answer, then I'll reveal it. 1. How do you politely say, I would like, in Icelandic? Answer.
Ég myndi vilja.
2. True or false?
Mig langar.
Is softer than.
Ég myndi vilja.
Answer. False.
Ég myndi vilja.
Is softer. 3. Which means, please. Answer.
Vinsamlegast.
4. Which phrase also works politely like a question? Answer.
Má ég fá.
5. Translate. I would like, coffee, thank you. Answer.
Ég myndi vilja, kaffi, takk.
Challenge mode. Time to roleplay. You steer the scene, I'll be your guide. Scene 1, tickets. Start with the polite opener, then add 2 tickets. Say.
Ég myndi vilja 2 miða.
Bonus. Mention.
Að panta.
If you want to stress ordering. Scene 2, cafe kindness. Order a coffee with please and thank you. Say.
Ég myndi vilja kaffi vinsamlegast. Takk.
Scene 3, compare tone. First say, I want coffee.
Mig langar í kaffi.
Now soften it.
Ég myndi vilja kaffi.
Hear the vibe shift? Wrap up and next steps. You did great, your extra mild voice is unlocked. Today you practiced.
Ég myndi vilja.
Plus helpers.
Vinsamlegast. Takk. Að panta. Kaffi.
And the cousins.
Má ég fá.
And.
Mig langar.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing out loud, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and fun drills from Synapse Lingo. See you next time.